What is going on, everybody? You know who I am. I'm Jay with DCA Adventure, and today we are going to go over some easy ways to onboard to crypto. But if you guys like our content, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. And if you guys would like access to the DCA trading script, you need to join the Patreon group. Join my tier, Trading with a View. By joining, you do get access to the DCA trading script and a lot of the other scripts that we have made for the Patreons. You get access to the private channel in the Discord, and you get access to the DCA trading bots given to us by my partner over at Crypto Mentors, AstroPark. So get in there, check that out, guys. If you want to learn how to trade, you want to nail down the basics, get a good strategy going on. You need to get over to the Patreon group. This is not financial advice at all. Trading is super risky, especially at times like this when everything's going way up. A lot of uncertainty in the markets, but you can make money really fast and you can lose it really fast as well. So it's very risky. You've got to really want to learn how to trade. It's not something that you're just going to come in, you're going to learn in a month, and you're going to be a millionaire. You really have to be dedicated. It's going to be one of the hardest things in trading, per se, to learn how to get a strategy, to learn how to be patient, and to learn how to stick to your own rules. So with that being said, guys, if you're serious about learning how to trade, come see us over at the Patreon group over in the DCA Discord, and we will get you fixed up. Also, if you'd like to join my personal Discord that me and my partner AstroPark run, we do trading signals over there. It's not there's a lot of educational stuff over there, but a lot of our focus is coding trading bots, trading scripts, things to give you an edge on the market. But right now, Crypto Mentors is all the way open. We have unlocked all the premium channels until the first of the year. So from now till then, you guys will get to see it. All the stuff that our premium members are paying for monthly. Those guys are getting a little bit of extra stuff behind the scenes there, but it's kind of like a try before you buy. You know, you come in, see if it's something that you like, if you like our style, you like how we do things, if it's easy for you or whatever, you know. Because at January 1st, it's all going to be closed back up again. So go over there, check us out. Links for the Discords will be in the description. Super huge shout out to dogelord.com. If you guys want any cryptocurrency merch, this is the place to go. Number one spot for me. I buy all my stuff, all my crypto related stuff from there, and he's got all kinds of stuff. There's belt buckles, belts, backpacks, gaiters, hoodies, jackets, sweatshirts, sweatpants, leggings. He's got all kinds of stuff, and he lowered a lot of the prices, so things are super cheap in there now. Christmas is coming up. Buy your wife and your kids some cryptocurrency merch, or you know, shower yourself with gifts. But get over there to dogelord.com. Link for that will also be in the description. And shout out to HyperTrader. Super awesome terminal that they have created over there. I've been trading all the altcoins over there. They just make it convenient. Once you hook up Binance and KuCoin and Coinbase and wherever you're trading at, you can hook all those up through API over at HyperTrader. And then HyperTrader is the only app that you need to log into after that. You can go into HyperTrader, do all your buying and selling on multiple different exchanges at the same time, which is awesome. Not very many places are like that, and if places that are kind of sketch. So this is the so far the safest one that I've come across, the most easy to use interface. And they got a news section in there. They got stuff about mining in there. They got all kinds of stuff, and they're constantly updating it all the time. So it's just getting better and better and better. With the big bull run happening, everybody is getting excited about crypto. I've had all kinds of my personal friends that have called me crazy over the years have now messaged me saying, "Hey Jay, how can I buy this Bitcoin? My reply to them is, well, why would you want to buy it right now when we're getting close to an all-time high again? In my personal opinion, I think buying Bitcoin right now is a little dangerous. That doesn't mean that I'm bearish. It doesn't mean that I don't think Bitcoin is going to go to the moon, but there's always the chance of a 20 to 30% retrace right around the corner. And if anybody is new that is watching this, wait till we have a good breather and we have a good retrace back down to a major level of support. That's when you want to be buying into Bitcoin, in my opinion. You don't want to get stuck like a lot of the people who bought at 20,000. They thought Bitcoin was going to go to 50,000, so they bought in at 20. Completely got wrecked. Real bad bear market after we got up that high. So that's why I'm being very vigilant, very cautious right now with adding to my personal bag. I have offloaded some of my bag for profits in case we do get a big drop. I can get, I can pick some cheaper Bitcoin back up. As far as altcoins go, I'm not a firm believer in holding alts. I don't really like to hold anything. We're doing this to make money for the most part. I do believe in Bitcoin. I do believe in blockchain technology. But as far as the trading aspect of it, I'm doing this to make money. So the shitcoins I do not hold very many. There's a handful that I really like and that I believe in. But as far as the rest, we're just trading them to make money. They're not long-term holds. I'll get on HyperTrader. I'll scan through the charts. They have a nice hot list on there that'll show you the biggest gainers, the biggest losers. And basically I just scan through and I'm looking for certain patterns and certain moving averages to be in a certain position before I'm entering any kind of trades. But this video today is going to be for people just getting into the space. So a lot of you guys that have been with me and have been around DCA for since I think we're a little over a year old now, pretty close to it. But this might be a little bit boring for you guys because you already know how to do this. So bear with me here. I want to start doing stuff for the newer people because with the bull run right now, we are going to get a huge increase of new people. We're seeing it every day right now in the Discords. We got people joining left and right. So we want to get the new people on the right path, doing the right thing. Pretty much not screwing themselves where they're signing up for an exchange, they're buying Bitcoin, and then they happen to forget their password, or they move it to a wallet and forget their private keys and lose out on their stuff. But that being said, we are going to jump right into this. And the stuff I'm showing you today, guys, there will be affiliate links in the chat when we do the premiere. I will talk to Mikkel and see if he can get them put down in the description. I don't think my affiliates for Coinbase and Uphold are in there, so I'll try to get that taken care of. If we don't get it on there for tomorrow, I'll definitely put it in the chat while the video is premiering tomorrow. So, but using the link for Coinbase, you will get $5 in free Bitcoin. Or I think it's $10 actually when you first sign up and you put $100 in. I think you'll get $10. And also Coinbase, it's one of the biggest, most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges out there right now. One of the safest. They've had their ups and downs, but they're really coming together. I do not trade on Coinbase. I did when I first got into crypto and was learning about crypto and all that stuff. I did trade on Coinbase, but I do not recommend it. The only thing I do here on Coinbase is actually buy my Bitcoin. I don't so much buy it and then move it over to Coinbase Pro and start trading. And right now I wanted to show you crypto.com, but they do not do the exchange here where I'm located. But it is a mobile app, and there will be a link for that too in the description. You sign up with that link, you get $50 just for signing up. You got to stake that $50 for 6 months. So that $50 in 6 months, you may end up getting, $500 back. We don't know. We'll see how the market goes. But you get $50 free 6 months after you've staked it. You can pull it out, do whatever you want, put it right back in the bank, buy other crypto. But Crypto.com is a really good mobile app. You can get the debit card. You can get a lot of perks with the debit card. If we have time, I'll go to the website and just show you what it shows us as far as being on Windows. You can get more out of it doing it on a phone, but that's why I decided to go with Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, and Uphold. All three of these, Uphold, Coinbase, and Coinbase Pro, were like the very first exchanges that I checked out, that I signed up for, and actually put money into. But so Coinbase is right here. This is, like I said, guys, one of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges. They do offer a lot of different stuff, a lot of different coins. What's really cool is once you get signed up and you do your KYC, and what KYC is, and if you're new, you're going to hear this term thrown out all the time in crypto. It is know your customer. And basically what it is when you sign up to Coinbase, they want all your government information. So you're going to give them your address, you're going to give them your social security number, you're going to give them a picture of your ID, a picture of you standing there with your ID holding a sign. They want all this stuff for tax purposes. So if you buy over a certain amount, you are going to have to pay a capital gains tax. Basically, anytime that you buy Bitcoin is a taxable event, and anytime that you sell Bitcoin is a taxable event. And then it gets kind of in a gray area of when you're sending it. You send it here, you send it there. In the beginning, they tried to make it a taxable event, which is not right. They're getting the kinks ironed out with all that. I've only ever had to pay taxes one time, but the way I do things, we try to, just like anybody else, dip and dodge them capital gains tax. And this is just what I do. I'm not telling you to do this, but if you are new and you're starting your journey, I really highly recommend keeping an Excel sheet with what you bought, when you bought it. A lot of these sites like Coinbase, you can go on and export your data, where it'll tell you when you bought, how much you bought, what the price was when you bought it, what the price is now. If you buy and you're just holding, you don't have nothing to worry about as far as taxes and stuff like that. They really get you when you send it back to your bank account. When you turn the Bitcoin back into USD, and you send that back to your bank account. So you will have to do a KYC on Coinbase. I do not do KYC on a bunch of stuff. There's only a handful of things that I've ever done it with, going on 6 years in the crypto space. You really got to watch who you give your info to. Do your own research. You really got to dig into a lot of these companies. They are popping up all over the place. You can get on Google Play Store right now, and I guarantee there's a handful of wallets, crypto wallets that you can download, and they're fake. They're just going to steal your money. So you really got to make sure it's a well-trusted place. And guys that know me know that I'm not going to ever send you or ever refer you to a place that is sketchy. So once you get your KYC and stuff done, I'm just going to go through this like the very beginning. We're going to sign up. I'm not going to do the KYC, obviously. I'm not going to show you my information. But once you sign up and you get the KYC done, then you can buy and transfer your crypto all over the place. So what we're going to do is up here at the top. Now you're not going to be able to see it because my picture's in the way, and I have my video up there for a purpose. It is covering up some sensitive information. But underneath my picture, there's a little button, and it says Get Started. You're going to click that, and then here's where we are going to fill this out. So we're going to get this going here. Now, so you guys know, these are dummy emails, and everything I'm doing has all been made for the purpose of this video. So you guys can get on here and hack it and do whatever the hell you want with it. I'm never going to send money to it. This, again, is just to show you how to do this. Crypto crazy. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our password, XRP sucks. Okay. You can do Coinbase works everywhere, I do believe. Maybe not New York, I'm not sure. We're just gonna leave it on that. That was the first one that popped up there, was Ohio. I agree. Sign into your Coinbase. Wonder why it is not letting me hit create account. What the heck? Try this again. I'm just wondering. Coinbase is the easiest place to buy, sell, and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. Jumpstart your crypto portfolio with $5 in free Bitcoin after you sign up. Terms apply. Oh, hell, I know why I didn't do that. I'm not thinking right. Sorry, guys. XRP sucks. Now, guys, I use LastPass. This will automatically save your passwords when you sign in to sign in or sign up to anywhere. Highly recommend it. Keeps everything safe. Always write down your passwords somewhere and keep them locked up. Don't just do it on a piece of paper. Don't keep it on your PC or your phone. Chances are, you'll get them taken. Okay, I don't like my password, so let's try this again. We're going to say capital X, RP, sucks, 1, exclamation point. Go ahead and save that for now. Welcome to Coinbase. You've got $5 in free Bitcoin. After your photo ID is verified, $5 in Bitcoin will be added to your portfolio within 24 hours. Limited time offer. So this is where you're going to do your KYC. You want to make sure that you follow the directions very well. You have very clear pictures of your stuff. This is a safe place to do a KYC. Like I said, guys, I don't do this at very many places. So we sent an email, so let's go over to the email. We're gonna go in and verify our email now. You want to make sure you do this. Okay, so one of the other safe ways to protect your account is having 2FA, Two-Factor Authentication. And what you're going to do is you're going to download Google Auth. Type it into your Play Store, it'll come up. you want to do it on your cell phone. What it's going to do is it's going to pop up with a little barcode when you set up your 2FA. You're going to go into Google Auth and you're going to click your add button and you're going to scan that barcode. And then it's going to give you a key inside of your application on your phone. So next time you go to sign in, it's going to ask for your Google Auth key. And it's every 15 seconds the Google Auth will spit out a different key. It changes it every 15 seconds. So you got to get the key, hurry up, type it in, hit confirm to get access to your account. I'm not going to go through that step right now because I will have to show sensitive information. I didn't even really think about that part of it until just now. You can do what I have on my Coinbase. I have all my I have my phone number on there. I have my 2FA, my Google Auth, and I have an email. So like if I want to withdraw, I have to put in a Google Auth and then I gotta verify through email. I do that for safety, so that way somebody tries to hack my account, they will really have to go through some shit to get my stuff. And hacking Google Auth is pretty hard. So step 2, kind of wonder what number I should put in here to make this work. Let me see here. I'm going to switch you guys off to something else. I'll put my number in real quick and then come back to it. Switching over to the other screen, dang it. Sorry guys, hang on, give me 1 second here. Well, that didn't work out as planned. Wouldn't let me use the phone number in my main account, so we may have to skip that. You know what I can do? Okay, let me see here. I'm gonna take you off just again, guys. I don't want you to see the number I'm putting in. Okay, there we go. Well, I just got the code and it's not letting me type it in. But once you put your phone number in, it'll text you a code, and then you're going to want to put the code in. Okay, now I'm going to bring it back to you. Gonna go 288-3775. How is it not the right one? Alright guys, sorry, I had to use a different phone and it's just sitting here not doing anything. And this is probably because I already have accounts with some of the numbers, so it's probably why it's acting like this. Okay, hang on one second guys, I'm going to re-sign in. Alright, hang on. Alright guys, this is the legal document here that you have to fill out for your KYC. I'm not going to be filling any of that out. So hopefully we can look at the rest of the site without having to do this. I may end up having to log into my account. Let's go back here and see if it'll let us just go through some of the stuff. Yep, it signed me out. Okay, so regardless, once you do the KYC, then you'll get full access to the site. But we can go through and I can kind of show you a little bit of what they got, what they do. One of the coolest things about Coinbase, I think, is the Coinbase Earn is what it's called. With Coinbase Earn, what they do is they add new cryptos, and when they add new cryptos, they do a little educational quiz about it. So what you'll do is you'll sign up to be on the waiting list for whatever they have available. They will send you an email when it's your turn. You'll go in, you're going to watch, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 4 or 5 2-minute videos of the crypto that they just added, and you are going to answer questions at the end of the quiz, usually multiple choice. You can get them wrong. It'll let you answer till you get it right, and as soon as you answer all the questions, you immediately get that crypto deposited into your wallet. And when we talk about wallet, it's basically, I'm gonna have to sign into my account or another burner account that I have. Let me do that real quick because I can't. I'm sorry guys, I just can't explain it without it letting me actually in. So let me sign in real quick. I should have planned this out a little bit better. I did not think it was going to not let me at least look at everything. Stupid, I know, guys. Well, heck yeah, the password worked. I haven't been on this one in quite a while. Okay, bring it back over to you guys. All right. Okay, sorry about that. So here we go. Okay, so this is the rewards place I was telling you about. You can click on this, and it's got all kinds of different ones. You can invite friends, you'll get $10. So if you use my link, you'll get $10 once you put $100 of crypto in. You buy $100 of Bitcoin. Tezos, you can buy Tezos and you can just leave it sit in your account and you'll earn rewards weekly on your Tezos. Same with your USD coin. USD coin is basically it's like the US dollar. It's just a digital version of it. It's backed by the US dollar, but you will also get rewards on this 0.15% paid out every week. Tezos is 4.63%. What bank does that, guys? No bank is going to do that. You're lucky to get 1% annually from your bank while they're using your money and lending it out to everybody else, collecting huge interest fees on all that stuff. But as you can see, there's quite a few things to go through and learn about, get on the waiting list. Hundreds of dollars, $300 to $400 you can earn for free just by doing the Coinbase Earn. So when you hit the home button, this is your dashboard pretty much. This is showing you what Bitcoin is at or what your portfolio is at with everything you're holding. You can have a watch list here. And this is what they offer. All these on here. Not everyone can you trade, but it'll happen. It's slowly progressing to that. The compound, like I can earn some compound right now. This is stuff from doing, I think my wife, Coinbase Earn, but she's earned a little bit there, not too bad. So let's say that you want to buy crypto. Well, after you've done your KYC, you've hooked up your bank account, because you got to do that. I suggest you hook a debit card up to it. That way your buys will be instant. If you just are hooking up your bank account through your routing and your account number and you're doing wire transfers, it takes forever. And by the time it gets there, whatever asset you're buying could have went way up, could have went way down. So I just use a debit card. That way it's instant. You can buy instantly. There are thresholds on how much you can buy. But so let's say I can't really show you how to go in and buy it either because it's going to show my personal information. But I'll figure the Coinbase thing out and we'll redo this one for you guys. But I'll just show you the basics of everything. Here's your portfolio. This is all the stuff that you can hold. These are pretty much like your wallets. You can click on Ethereum. And then see right here, it'll tell you how much you bought, how much you sold, how much you moved. If you want to send it, you just need whoever you're sending it to, you need to get their address. You're going to copy, you're going to paste it there. You can put a note if you want, pay with ETH. And then up at the top, you're just going to put how much. Same with receive. If somebody is sending you Ethereum, then you are going to hit receive and hit understand. Skip for now. But right here is your receiving address. So you're just going to copy that. You'll go over to whoever's sending you the Ethereum. You're going to paste it and give it to them. So that way they can put it in their little box here to send it to you. Prices, this is just an overall, just telling you what the prices of everything is. And like I said, guys, I will buy Bitcoin and stuff here and then move it to where I'm actually trading. You guys know that I'm a big leverage trader, so a lot of stuff goes to the leverage exchanges. And then I hold almost all of my stuff on hardware wallet. I use a Trezor. I know Mikkel and them guys don't like those. They know a little bit more about the security aspects of the hardware wallet, so maybe we can get them to say what they like to use in the chat. I know they like to go offline wallets like paper wallets, or making them out of USB sticks and stuff like that, which is not a bad idea. Any way you can be safe and beef up your security, the better. So let's say you wanted to actually, you bought some Bitcoin and now you want to trade it. Again, I do not recommend trading it right here on Coinbase. I'm going to show you a sister Coinbase application you can go to, and it's a lot better. But if you're going to do it here, this is where you would do it. You're going to put it all in, what you want to sell, what you want to buy, what bank you have. This one, I can't do anything anymore. This was one of the very first accounts we set up, so I've changed banks and stuff since then, so I can't really do anything with it. I can send crypto in and send crypto out, but you can also convert. So if you don't want to sell it off, you just you don't want to sell back into USD, you want to trade your Bitcoin for Ethereum or trade your Bitcoin for Litecoin, you're just going to do that here. You know, you got X amount of Bitcoin, $100, and you want to exchange it to $100 worth of Litecoin. That's how you'll do that there. Right here is a tab for your tradable assets. This is because, like I said, they have a lot of them on here, but only certain ones you're going to be able to trade. So all these ones here, DNT, I made really good money off of this last week. Civic, Balancer, Orchid, Decentraland, NMR, I don't even know who those are. Band Protocol, Augur, CeeLo, Kyber Network, Loopring, Ren. I mean, you guys can get on here and look. There's all kinds of them. They even got Uniswap on here now. Chainlink I really like. Stellar Lumens I like. Made some nice money off of those guys. And you can also set up automatic buys. So let's say you don't even want to think about buying, but you don't want the hassle of logging in and going through the whole thing. You can set it up to where every week, every 2 days, every month, whatever you want, whatever condition, whatever parameter you set up, you can say, okay, I want to buy $25 of Bitcoin every Sunday night or every Monday morning, and do that every week. Or you can do it according to your pay scale. You get paid every 2 weeks, do it every 2 weeks. Good way to dollar cost average into an asset. If you just set it up and then forget about it, come back, you know, months later, you'll be happy, hopefully. So there's a lot more to Coinbase. I can't really show you until I figure out, I get my dummy account working and all that. So I'm going to go over here to Coinbase Pro, and I'm going to show you a little bit about it. Now, once you sign up for Coinbase, you can go right into your search bar, type in Coinbase Pro, and you can log in, and it's going to ask you for the credentials from Coinbase, the original site that you signed up for. So you're just going to let it do it. You're going to, I think you have to verify. Yeah, you got to verify it, let it take your sign-in information. But this is where you should probably go to start learning and start your trading journey. The user interface is super easy. Let me see. I'm gonna move this real quick just in case sensitive info's popped up there. Hang on 1 second, guys. I'm sorry I gotta keep doing this. I thought it was all gonna work when I did it, and okay, change that. Alright guys, this is Coinbase Pro. This is where you want to go. You're going to move your assets from Coinbase, the first place you signed up, and you're going to move them over to here. Doing the transfer is super easy. You don't have to copy paste the address. You could just go to deposit. You're going to hit deposit. It's going to ask you, do you want to deposit from an external wallet or a Coinbase wallet? You're going to click the Coinbase wallet. You'll click Bitcoin if that's what you're going to move over is Bitcoin. and it'll ask you, it'll show you how much you got available to send. Just type that in, hit transfer, it'll automatically transfer. It doesn't cost fees, it doesn't cost anything. Boom, boom, just does it real quick like. And I like Coinbase Pro. It's I don't know why in the hell this thing is so little with all this big down here. Like, I don't need all that. And it will not let me go bigger. So, and they've just done a ton of upgrades too, so this is probably why it's like that. But if you want to select markets, this is all the tradable assets they have on here. If you want to trade USD to whatever, you're going to click the USD tab, and this is Bitcoin to USD. So you're trading Bitcoin for USD, okay? Vice versa. If you want to trade the USDC stable coin, it's backed by the US dollar, but that's what this is. It's the same thing as USD. There's just not as many pairs. Bitcoin to whatever. There's all kinds of pairs for Bitcoin. So ETH is first. It's in front. So if it's in front, that's what you're trading against. So you're trading ETH for Bitcoin, XRP for Bitcoin. Just so you don't get that screwed up. DAI is another. It's pretty much a stable. It's more for ERC20 and Ethereum, I do believe. And then ETH, you got Lincoln ETH and Batten ETH. So there's not very many Ethereum pairs yet. But if you were going to trade Bitcoin and USD, there's not very many indicators. There's no charting or anything on Coinbase Pro. So you need to download TradingView on your phone or sign up for TradingView on your PC. Link for that is in the description. You do get coins by using my link, so you could upgrade and get a free plan, premium plan for a month. The only tricks I can show you how to trade on Coinbase Pro and on the chart. Let's go to a 1 hour chart. You can do candle or line. I always do the candles. Now your overlay. These are your exponential moving averages. It's the only two indicators they give you on here. It's kind of stupid. And then it's got it so I can't even. I don't know why. It won't let me stretch all this out. Yeah, down here you can go classic, you can go dark. But basically what you're gonna do is you want to trade when these exponential moving averages cross over, just like we do anything else. Just like we do the regular moving averages. You can come over here on the little graph, you can click and hold and stretch this out, and then you can grab a hold here and move it. If you move it back and you want to get back to the beginning, you just hit the play button and it'll take you right back to current. But basically you're just going to wait till you get the bullish cross. So let's see, your EMA, your exponential moving average, 12 day or 12 hour in this case, is going to be your blue line. It's on top. And then your EMA 26 is going to be, I think that's like a white or a silver maybe. That's on your bottom. But regardless, when your smaller EMA is on top of the bigger EMA, so your 12 is bigger than your 26. When the 12 is on top of that 26, that's when you want to be buying said asset, whatever it is you're trading. When your small EMA crosses underneath your big EMA, like it did over here, it's kind of hard to see because it won't let me get it very much bigger. There we go. So you can see that the smaller blue line, smaller EMA crossed underneath, that's when you want to be selling said asset. You can just do this strategy on a higher time frame and you'll do pretty well. It's not very hard. Let's say you wanted to buy Bitcoin. Let's go to the order book. I am on the order book. I don't know why this dang thing is so small. It's never this small. It might just be my computer though too, and how I got my monitors and stuff set up. But let's say we wanted to sell Bitcoin right now, which I don't want to sell. We should be buying, but just for general purpose, I'm going to show you. You can click up here. Click on sell. Click on limit. And then you can click on the numbers and you'll see that it'll appear down here. Always try to limit in, market out. Using limit orders, you're going to pay a lower fee. Using market order, you're going to pay the maximum fee. But basically, let's say you wanted to buy Bitcoin at 18,165. You're going to click 18,165. There it shows up. You're going to switch that over to buy. You're going to hit limit. And if you want to use max amount of what you got in USD sitting up here, you'll just hit max. Or if you want to use a portion, you can just type in a portion. I do believe that is not enough Bitcoin to actually set an order. I think it's too small. Yeah, I don't think. Max. And once you got it on there, it's going to tell you what if you're paying a fee. Yeah, it's not even going to do it because it's not. It's got to be more than $5. You got to be trading more than $5 on here to actually make it go through and work. So this is just a very simple, easy exchange to work. And like I said, guys, we will redo this. I know tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I wanted to get this done the night before, so I didn't have to do it on Thanksgiving. But my dummy accounts did not work as planned. So I think we'll just we'll go over there and take a look on TradingView and check out what Bitcoin is going to do, where we think it's going to go, and then we'll come back and I will redo this because this was a shit show way of showing how to work these exchanges. I want to be able to actually buy and sell, show you how to withdraw, show you how to deposit, the whole 9 yards. So once I get the dummies account working, we will definitely do that. If you let's say you wanted to put a stop loss in, you bought Bitcoin but you're afraid it's going to go down, well, and you can't be here to watch it, you can put a stop loss. Let's say we bought Bitcoin at 8,122 and we're afraid it's going to go down to 18,000 even. So you can put in here 18,000 max, and the limit price is when what price is it going to trigger your stop price. So we could say it gets down to 18,010. It'll pop up a stop limit for 18,000. That way it'll get you in there, it'll get you out, it'll save you a little bit of money. Pretty self-explanatory. Same, you want to have a sell on there, you can do a stop buy and a stop sell. This would be your order tab. This is where you're going to see current orders, old orders, portfolios. I'm not going to show you that. It's got sensitive info in there. And then all your info, like of when you bought, when you sold, all that's going to be down here. So my suggestion, guys, would go sign up to Coinbase, get your KYC done, move over to Coinbase Pro, transfer, if you put USD into Coinbase or you bought Bitcoin or whatever you did, transfer it over to Coinbase Pro, and then from over here, this is where you're going to do your buying and selling. And it's really easy once you get the hang of it. And like I said, guys, I promise we will redo this. This is not how I wanted this to turn out. I don't even think it really made too much of sense to you guys. So with that being said, let's just hop right over to TradingView. See if we can knock out some Bitcoin TA, see where we're going. Got double charts up here on TradingView, so I can watch ETH and Bitcoin at the same time. Oh yeah, dumping quite nice. Okay, so on the hourly for Bitcoin, let's go back here. Okay, so for hourly on Bitcoin, we are getting a bearish cross of the moving averages 21 and 50 on the 1 hour chart, which is not that big of a deal. You do see down here we are in the oversold area for Bitcoin. We just tagged the oversold. Last night in the Patreon group, I said, hey guys, let's trade this triangle. Look at the breakout, super nice. Huge M pattern. I was not awake for this. Huge M pattern, double top, perfect play. Man, that pisses me off. I wasn't there for that. But that right there is a double top and an M pattern. I always trade those. This is healthy, guys, just because this was a decent sized dump on the hour. It is healthy that it's doing it. We do got a little bit of support down here right around the 18,000. Right, yeah, 18,000 even. Right around in there. Let's go up to a 1 day. Get rid of the drawing. Let's reset the chart. All right, guys. We've been way up here in the overbought area for quite some time. We're due for a correction. Okay, I'm looking right around the 17,100 area for the 21 day moving average. We can go ahead and pop up a even faster moving average on there and see what that's saying. Favorites. I like using the 9. But you can go lower, you can go like a 5, you can go to a 2. A 2 would be, looking on a daily chart, using a 2 on your moving average would be looking at, so it's counting back every 2 days. So we're going to leave 9 on there. I usually make my 9 white. Okay, so you can see that we follow that 9 really tight too as well. And we did break the 9. So if the daily candle closes above the 9 moving average, the 9 day moving average, then be looking for that 21 day. And that's, I have to scroll our way in and see where that's putting us at support. Yeah, it is showing us support right in there too. So if we get a line out, or handy dandy line, you shoot that across. Right here's our support zone, and right there's our 21 day moving average, right around 17,100 area. I do not want to see it come down to the 50 day. That'd be around the 14,005, but it is possible. There is a decent amount of resistance there too. You can see we got some over here, or support, I'm sorry. We got some over here and we got some over here. I fully believe though we're going to see all-time highs here very soon. There's nothing as far as resistance, like any major resistance, really holding us back. And you know, guys, this is really close to a double top. We could reject right here and freaking plummet. This is a weekly chart. So far, the weekly candle is not looking good, especially if that forms into a dragonfly doji. It's not looking good, and we are in the way overbought area on the weekly chart for Bitcoin. So it would not surprise me to come back down here on the 9 weekly moving average. That's right down here around the 14,300. 21 weekly moving average around 12,300, and the 50 week moving average is around 10,000. So one of them 3 moving averages, guys, and I would almost bet that the 9 or the 21 week moving average is going to be the one that we bounce off. I would be taking a long position at the 9 week moving average, and if that fails, obviously my stop loss will stop me out, get me out, save me some monies, and I'll reset down here at the 21 week moving average. These are long-term trades, set them and forget them type thing. You go right to your daily. I like trading the same moving averages on a daily chart. But be looking for those areas for the retrace. Let's take a look at ETH real quick. Okay, on ETH for the daily, you see here we're hitting that 9-day moving average. As long as we don't close below it, we should be okay. We got 20 hours left in this daily candle. If we do close below that 9-day moving average, be looking for the 21-day right around the $494, maybe 500-ish. But if you're looking left on your chart, you guys see that we got support right at the 21-day moving average, the start of it here, and a little bit back here. Always look left on your chart. So if either one of those 2 moving averages break and we don't stop there and respect those, then your 50-day, guys, you know right where we're going. That's right around the 435. Check weekly. The weekly, we still looks like, well, let me stretch this out. Nope, we are in the overbought area on the weekly. So again, guys, be a healthy move right now to just take a breather, get a nice retrace, at least come back down here to the $430 area before making that final push back up there. You know, we'd like to see a nice close above 600 to keep going. But an interesting time, guys, interesting times. Enough with the TA and talking about Coinbase. I want to give you guys a little early Christmas present, little surprise. Starting December 1st, we are going to open up the DCA Discord to everybody till the 1st of the year. Same type of thing like we did with Crypto Mentors, only Crypto Mentors we opened up for like 3 months. We're going to do DCA for a month, a good solid month. We got a lot of content in there, a lot of stuff going on. So join the Discord, check out the signals, check out what I'm trading, when I'm trading it, and you know, see if I'm legit or not. See if I'm really making these trades and I know what I'm talking about. You will find out in the Discord, and you will learn a lot too. There's all kinds of good friends in there posting all kinds of good content. Nefarious Technologies posting very accurate charts. The guy calls the levels like crazy. So you don't want to miss those. You will not get access to the bots. That's the only thing we're not doing. We're not going to open up the bots. Those are going to stay just for the Patreons. You know, it's not fair to make the Patreons pay monthly and then you guys get the same thing for nothing. So we're going to leave the bots to the Patreons, but there is bots over at the Crypto Mentors Discord you can check out. They're not the same as the DCA ones. The DCA ones are a little bit different, but either way, they're still spitting out very good, accurate trades. They've caught the big pump. Astro Park spot went long right at the bottom there of the last big dump we had before we got up over 10,000. So it's been long. His bot's been long for quite a while. But get in there. I will teach you guys how to spot patterns, how to trade the breakouts, you know, all the good stuff that we show you on the videos, but you'll actually get one-on-one time with me. You know, we'll get to sit in there and chat it up, and you can ask me questions. You need help with something, you're interested in the script. This is a try before you buy, guys. We'll definitely willing to help you out and get you set up. But that's our early gift to you guys. So we hope you enjoy it, and definitely if give us feedback if there's something you'd like to see different, or you want us to add something or take something away. Please tell us, so we can accommodate that. But all right, guys, I have to get off of here. I got to start cooking, and I hope you guys are cooking too. I hope you all have a good Thanksgiving and you're safe. No cops bust down the doors because they know you bought a turkey for 12 people and you're only allowed to have 3. Something crazy like that. With that being said, guys, have a good night. Wash your hands. I will see you tomorrow at the premiere if you're not busy.